Hi, Spartan Setter. It's my first day doing the daily win task. Despite the workload that I had yesterday and attending the Spartan Setter Academy orientation last night, I was able to get up early to cook breakfast for my family and prepare lunch for my son before starting my morning work as a virtual assistant. I managed to complete all my tasks as a mother, even though I lack of sleep and rest. Being a mother is not that easy, but we need to sacrifice to do our responsibility and obligation to our children. And I think that is all. That's it for today's video, and see you all tomorrow.